Is your iPhone stuck on the screen? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is actually a symptom of an iPhone stuck in recovery mode. This mode allows your iPhone to update or restore its firmware. But if your phone is stuck here, the most common reason is a system error, usually caused by a failed iOS update or a disconnect during an iTunes restore. Luckily, this is fixable. All you have to do is watch this video. Let's get started. This is Apple's official method and won't cause data loss. Firstly, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If force restart doesn't help, you can use AnyFix to exit recovery mode in one click. It's a professional iOS system repair tool. It can solve 150+ iOS system issues without data losing, including iPhone stuck on recovery mode, stuck on Apple logo, etc. Also support the latest iOS 26 beta. Firstly, free download and open AnyFix on your computer. Then connect your iPhone. Now click Exit Recovery Mode. In a few seconds, your iPhone should reboot back to normal. Fast, simple, and no data loss. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. It will detect your device and give you two options: update or restore. Try update first. This will keep your data. If the update fails, you may need to choose restore, which will erase all your data. Please do not repeat the update process too many times. It may make the situation worse. If none of the above methods fix the problem, you can also use AnyFix System Repair to fix more than 150 iOS system issues. Firstly, open and select System Repair Mode, then connect your iPhone with your computer via USB cable and click on the Start Now button. Standard Repair Mode supports the most common system issues without data loss. Here we choose it and tap the Standard Repair button to continue. Now AnyFix will check your iPhone model and you need to click Download to get a matching firmware. Then AnyFix will automatically start to repair your device. Take patient to wait for a while and then the iPhone or iPad stuck on recovery mode will be fixed with ease. If none of these methods work, your iPhone may have a hardware issue caused by a drop or internal failure. Please don't try to disassemble it yourself. Instead, contact Apple support for professional help. That's it. The above is the most comprehensive method to solve the problem of iPhone stuck on support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. Please clean up the phone memory and time during daily use to avoid stuck when restoring. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.